Here is a very interesting equation. 3 to the power x plus 98 equals 5 to the power x. At first glance, it looks simple, but many people get stuck. Can you find the value of x? First, let's rewrite the equation. Move 3 to the power x to the other side. We obtain 5 to the power x minus 3 to the power x equals 98. This form will be easier to analyze. Let's check some small integer values of x. If x equals 0, 5 to the power 0 minus 3 to the power 0 equals 0. If x equals 1, 5 minus 3 equals 2. If x equals 2, 25 minus 9 equals 16. None of these equal 98. Now let's try x equals 3. 5 to the power 3 minus 3 to the power 3 equals 125 minus 27. That equals 98, so x equals 3 works. But is it the only solution? Let's find out. Now let's transform the expression. 5 to the power x minus 3 to the power x can be rewritten by introducing 3 to the power x. Factor out 3 to the power x. We get 3 to the power x times 5 to the power x divided by 3 to the power x minus 1. Now simplify the fraction. 5 to the power x divided by 3 to the power x is equal to 5/3 to the power x. So the expression becomes 3 to the power x times 5/3 to the power x minus 1. This factorization will help us compare the values. Notice that both 3 and 5/3 are greater than 1. Now notice something important. 3 is greater than 1, and 5 divided by 3 is also greater than 1. Therefore, 3 to the power x and 5 divided by 3 raised to the power x both increase when x increases. Suppose x is greater than 3. Then 3 to the power x is greater than 3 to the power 3, which equals 27. And 5 divided by 3 raised to the power x is greater than 5 divided by 3 raised to the power 3, which equals 125 divided by 27. Therefore, 3 to the power x times the quantity 5 divided by 3 raised to the power x minus 1 is greater than 27 times 98 divided by 27. So, 5 to the power x minus 3 to the power x is greater than 98. Therefore, x greater than 3 is not a solution. Now suppose x is less than 3. Then, 3 to the power x is less than 3 to the power 3, which equals 27. And 5 divided by 3 raised to the power x is less than 5 divided by 3 raised to the power 3, which equals 125 divided by 27. Therefore, 3 to the power x times the quantity 5 divided by 3 raised to the power x minus 1 is less than 27 times 98 divided by 27. So, 5 to the power x minus 3 to the power x is less than 98. Therefore, x less than 3 is not a solution. Therefore, the equation has exactly one solution. X equals 3. Because 5 to the power 3 minus 3 to the power 3 equals 125 minus 27, which equals 98. Now try sharing this problem with a friend. More interesting math challenges are coming. See you in the next problem.